Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 27, 2026, Saturday Racing. Dito pa rin sa Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, mayroon tayong 9 races at lahat ng mga races to be run in 1,400 meter distance, maliban lang sa race 3 na may 1 milya ang distansya, 1,600. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng Sabado, 3 p.m. alas 3 ng hapon. National Pride Month celebration po. I think and I felt ito ay dahil sa the month of June o dito sa buwan ng Hunyo ay narito ang June 12, Philippine Independence Day. At patuloy po Burecom Rating Based Handicap System Race. At ngayong Sabado, ang unang araw o dahil bali dalawang araw yan, 2026, araw ng Maynila Racing Festival. At ngayong araw na ito, no bearing, no effect. Tara na, atin na pong tagniin at himayin ang ating mga cool choices. Race number 1. First winner take all covers races 1 to 7. My Super 6, 1,400 meter distance. Rating base, bali dalawa po, 28 hanggang 33 yung mas mataas at yung mas mababa, 22 hanggang 27. Bali dalawa lang po ito. Yung nasa classification 48 and 49. Thunderstorm at Edge of Glory. Dito po sa race 1, ang ating pong napiling cool first choice. Ang mga kalahok dito, halos lahat ay may angking bilis. So, pakiramdaman ito at diskartihan na lang po sila. Ang ating pong napiling cool first choice, number 3, for a surprise win, Bloomington. Sa akin pong humble observation ay may setup na pwedeng gawin ito. Timing ba na kung kailan dapat umatake. Cool second choice, yung most likely, pinakalyamado rito, pinakapaborito pagdating ng araw ng karera, araw ng Sabado. Pinakamaraming benta. Cool second choice number 2, Madam Edria. Meron po tayong cool third choice, coupled entry, 6A, Ras, at 6, Sexy Bum. Race 2, First Pick 5 covers races 2 to 6. Araw ng Maynila Special Race, 1,400 din po. At dito po ang ating pong cool first choice. Walang lucha. Tingin ko magiging solo aire. So, coupled entry. 1, Cole is a roll. 1A, Awesome Cole. So, discarding yung isa, nasa lead. At yung isa naman, tutok, nakantabay. Ang ating pong cool second choice, napakaganda ng pwesto, manggagaling sa labas, kaya makikita natin ang remate nito sa diretso. Cool second choice number 7, Lapping Tiger. Race 3, Second winner take all covers races 3 to 9. May Super 6. Ito pong race 3 ay 1,600 meter run. MMTCI sponsored charity race in honor of late apprentice jockey Sunny Prado Villar. Prayers po para kay jockey apprentice jockey Villar. Dito po sa race 3 ang ating pong cool first choice. Couple and 3. 3A Let Her Cook. Deremate pero hindi ito magpapaiwan. Kaya namang nandun lang sa striking distance. At yung kanyang kakopol, 3 are Money Moves. Last time out, nagpakita ng matinding aire. Meron po tayong cool second choice dito for a surprise win. Number 2, Rumored. At ang ating pong cool third choice, kasama rin sa unahan o lead pack. Cool third choice number 6, Nanana, Bubu. Race 4, pick 6, covers races 4 to 9. Araw ng Maynila, special race na naman, 1,400. At dito po sa race 4, ang ating pong cool purse and only choice. I think this time cannot be denied na siguro to dahil nga no bearing, no effect. At ang araw na ito ay talagang kanilang pinaghahandaan. Coupled entry, 1 closing time. Ito ang principal with Jackie JT Zarate. At 1A, Barako Eagles. Race 5, second pick 5, covers races 5 to 9, my Super 6, 1,400 meter run. Rating based handicap group 22 hanggang 27. Dito po sa race 5, ang ating pong cool first choice, yung ilang beses na tumakbo nakaraan, series, puro floating run lang. Parang malamyang takbo lang. This time, magseseryoso na ito. Cool first choice number 3, Style and Profile. At ang ating pong cool second choice number 9, Hakim. Race 6, pick 4, covers races 6 to 9. May Pentapecta. Another 1,400 meter distance run. Rating based handicap group, ang lineup na ito 16 hanggang 21. Ang ating pong cool first choice, galing sa medyo mahababang layoff, pero meron namang mga barrier run na ginawa. At impressive naman, yung huling-huli ay kailan lang, June 19. Cool first choice natin, number 3, Sky Story. Cool second choice, coupled entry 2, Runway 10, 2A Stripe of Pink. At meron po tayong cool third choice dito. Ilang beses na nating itong kasama o naisasama sa ating cool tips, pero wala pa, hindi pa nakakalabit. Baka this time. Cool third choice number 4, Sai Sisante. Race 7, my Super 6, 1,400 meter distance again. Rating based handicap group 16 hanggang 21. Dito po ang ating pong cool first choice, isang puting kabayo, Gray Galloper. Cool first choice number 5, Isla, Puting Bato. Napansin ko po, mas gusto po ni Isla Puting Bato yung mga ganitong karera, yung marami ang entries. Cool second choice, yung malamang na llamado rito. Minsan na itong I think bumenta ka talaga ng todo pero hindi positive ang running. Pinahinga, eto nagbabalik. Mukhang ito ang pinagandaan. Cool second choice number 4, Cerveza. Meron po tayong cool third choice number 10, Mangan Tana. Race 8, may Pentapecta, another 1,400 meter run. At dito po ang ating pong cool first choice. Dito po tayo sa nasa unahan, yung habulin at pilit na abutan. Cool first choice number 3, The Best of My Love. At ang ating pong cool second choice, isang imported na kabayo din, katulad ng ating pong cool first choice, number 6, Border Force. Last race, race 9, Paratingan. Rating base handicap group 28 hanggang 33. Ang last race po ay may Super 6. Excuse. Dito po sa race 9, ang ating pong cool first choice number 5, Blue Mine Churi. At ang ating pong cool second choice number 7, Great Barrier Reef. At meron po tayong cool third choice number 10. Baka dito ay maging active at positive running ang gawin. Cool third choice natin number 10, Perfect Shot. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!